Welcome to Bestusefultips. I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on your Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, pull down the notification panel, turn off the Wi-Fi and turn on it again and check the Wi-Fi working or not. In second solution, restart your Samsung device. Pull down the notification panel, tap on a power button at the top, tap on a restart, tap again restart, tap on a restart to restart your phone and try to connect your Wi-Fi network. And third solution, turn airplane mode on and off. Swipe down the notification panel. Here you can see flight mode option. Tap on it to turn off all your connectivity. After 5 or 10 seconds, tap on it to turn off and check your Wi-Fi connected or not. In fourth solution, check if any phone or Wi-Fi related issue. Connect your Wi-Fi network to another phone and check if Wi-Fi or phone related issue or not. In fifth solution, check for a software update. Go to settings, scroll down, tap on a software update, tap on a download and install. Now check if any available update on your device. If update available, update your phone to the latest version. In sixth solution, remove the connected Wi-Fi network and try to reconnect. Go to settings, tap on a connection, tap on a Wi-Fi. Now select the net, tap on a setting icon you want to remove. Tap on a forget at the bottom right to remove their network. Now turn off the Wi-Fi, turn on it and try to connect network. Enter your password and check fix the issue or not. If you still facing the issue, remove the Wi-Fi network. If you still facing the issue, reset your network settings by go to settings, scroll down, tap on a general management, scroll down, tap on a reset, tap on a reset network settings, tap on a reset settings. It will reset all your save Wi-Fi, Bluetooth pair, mobile data and other network related settings. Tap on a reset to reset the network settings on your phone. If none of the solution work for you, contact your internet service provider or a carrier to find the specific problem. That's it. If you like it, share it.